Got my Medicare mask on. I'd like to let everybody know that I am a Medicare expert by my mask. Thanks for watching this video. I'm going to talk about Medicare Part D prescription drug deductibles. And most of us don't have much experience with deductibles other than the health insurance plan that we grew up on during our working life, in which case the deductible had to be hit every year before the insurance company started sharing into the costs with us. It's not that same way with Medicare Part B, Medicare Part D drug plans. It varies dramatically from one company to another. So let's say the drug deductible is $435 for 2021. $445, it was $435 this year. So $445. And not all plans charge a deductible. I think they actually all do this year. In the past, they haven't all charged a deductible, but I think almost all of them have a deductible. But they don't have to have $445. That's the limit the government allows them to charge. They could charge $435, $400, $200. They could charge anything below that. They don't have to have a deductible. The government just mandates it can't be more than a certain amount every year. Keep that in mind because your drug plans do change every year. And once you're on Medicare Part D, you're in the system. That's a piece of knowledge you need to understand going forward if you're helping your parents and your friends or if it's you. So this year it's $445. And if you're comparing plans and you're saying, well, they both have the same deductible, so I don't have to compare that. Well, you still have to understand and compare it because this company, let's say Milk Duds, does not apply their deductible to any of their Tier 1 or their Tier 2 drugs, their cheapest drugs. The deductible does not apply. So right away on day one, January 1st, you can go to the pharmacy and start paying those co-pays in your summary of benefits. It might be $5 for your Tier 1 and it might be $12 for your Tier 2. Now, if you're on the Kit Kat plan, they might apply their deductible day one, drug one. So you will pay the first $445 out of your pocket before they ever start sharing costs with you. Depending on what drugs you take, Milk Duds, you might never hit the $445 deductible because you're only taking Tier 1 and Tier 2 drugs. This is why you need an expert to help you because you don't pay extra for an agent, and agents can actually drill down and show you what your actual estimated out-of-pocket costs will be for your drugs. And if your agent's not doing that for you, you don't have a good agent. So my family's here to help. You can go in the comments, ask us a question. You can email us, call the number on the screen. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider. We put out a video every week. If there's something you'd like me to explain, ask me in the comments and I'd be happy to do it. Thanks.